Welcome back to RV Road Report, the ultimate destination for rugged rides, luxury on wheels, and road trip dreams turned reality. If you're into the wild spirit of van life, you're in for a ride today. We've got a head-turning machine on deck. The Colorado Camper Van Motorhome in a bold, vibrant red finish. Built tough with a rugged long body and 4x4 wheels, this van is a powerful companion for adventurers, nomads and freedom seekers alike. Whether you're camping in the Rockies or cruising coastlines, this van is ready. Buckle up. The full tour starts now. Exterior front view. Let's kick things off with a front view of the Colorado Camper Van Motorhome, proudly displayed at the official Colorado Camper Van showroom. The vibrant red color pops with personality, while the bold Colorado Camper Van logo sits front and center on the custom grille. The robust headlamps, rugged bumper, and high-clearance stance tell you right away. This van doesn't just look good, it performs in the wild. Designed for durability and built with passion, this front view sets the tone for the road-ready experience that follows. Side view. Now let's take it to the top. Literally. The top side view of the Colorado Camper Van is a showcase of smart engineering. Built-in solar panels keep the van charged on the go, perfect for off-grid adventures. Right next to them, you'll spot a sleek, aerodynamic antenna for uninterrupted connectivity. And to cap it off, a compact but powerful rooftop air conditioning unit ensures your living space stays cool in any terrain. This top deck is more than just a roof. It's your power hub and your comfort zone in the wild. Back side view. Swinging around to the rear, the utility continues. A full-size spare tire is securely mounted, a must-have for unpredictable terrain. Just below, you'll find a cycle carrier perfectly adjusted for balance and safety, ready to hold your mountain bike or electric ride. The solid back doors open wide and shut tight, painted in that same striking vibrant red. Every element here shows thoughtful design, from convenience to safety, making the rear of this camper van just as functional as it is fierce. Side view. Let's slide over to the side view, where this van really opens up into your own portable oasis. A side-mounted retractable tent awning stretches out to create a shaded outdoor lounge. Imagine pulling up to a scenic overlook, popping out some chairs, firing up a portable grill, and soaking in the view. Whether it's sunshine or light rain, this side tent setup transforms your campsite into a cozy and elevated living space. From dawn coffees to sunset dinners, this side is your escape spot. Driving compartment. Now, step into the driving compartment, the command center of your mobile life. The driver and passenger seats are ergonomically designed, offering long ride comfort with premium stitching. On the dashboard, you'll find two LED screens, one for navigation and entertainment, and the other for a live rear-view camera, making tight spots and reverse parking easy even in rough terrain. Add in cruise control, USB ports, and a panoramic windshield, and you've got yourself a cockpit that blends control, visibility, and serious driving pleasure. Sitting and sleeping area. Behind the cockpit, we move into the sitting and sleeping area, a masterclass in space-saving design. By day, it's a stylish sofa setup with a compact table, ideal for meals, reading, or working remotely. Come nighttime, it converts into a full-length bed that comfortably fits two adults. Soft touch upholstery, under-seat storage, and ambient lighting make this area inviting and ultra-practical. Whether you're sipping coffee or sleeping under the stars, this is your personal comfort zone on the road. Kitchen. Right next to the sitting zone is a compact kitchen setup designed for life on the move. You get a 2-burner stove, a polished stainless steel sink, and a mini fridge that keeps perishables fresh. Overhead and under-counter storage cabinets keep your supplies organized, and there's enough prep space to whip up anything from eggs and toast to gourmet van-cooked meals. Efficient, sleek, and essential. This kitchen proves you don't need a mansion to cook like a pro on the road. Washroom. Yes, even in this compact setup, there's a fully functioning washroom tucked neatly into the layout. Inside, you'll find a cassette toilet, a foldable sink, and a small handheld shower, all in a waterproof cabin with a sliding door. A mini skylight keeps it ventilated, And built-in shelves provide space for toiletries. Compact yet comfortable, this washroom is the definition of small but mighty, giving you the convenience of hygiene and privacy wherever you roam. And there you have it. The complete tour of the Colorado Camper Van Motorhome in vibrant red. With its rugged 4x4 wheels, smart layout, and bold personality, it's a dream machine for adventurers on a budget. And the best part? It's priced at just $31,000, making it one of the most affordable 4x4 ready camper vans out there. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear your take. And you know the drill. Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Catch you in the next episode of RV Road Report.